In our video today, we'll learn how to identify the central idea of a text, analyze how it develops, and even craft an objective summary. Let's make this learning adventure fun and engaging. Imagine you're on a treasure hunt in the land of words. Your mission is to uncover the central idea, the big juicy nugget that the entire text revolves around. Now let's dive into how to uncover these central ideas and delve deeper into the text to analyze their development. Let the adventure begin. Here's an example. The benefits of daily exercise go beyond physical health. They also have a positive impact on mental well-being. Engaging in regular physical activity can boost mood, reduce stress, and improve cognitive function. Building an objective summary is like constructing a tower. Each central idea is a building block, and when we stack them together, we create a strong and clear summary. It's time to unveil the star of the show, the central idea. This is the heart of the text, and everything else revolves around it. Let's dive into the text details. Look closely at how the central idea is supported by evidence. What specific details and examples back it up? Student analysis, which is Mia's response. The central idea is about the benefits of exercise on mental health. The text mentions how exercise boosts mood and reduces stress, which supports the main idea. And here's what Alex says to Mia. I agree. The details about improved cognitive function also show how exercise positively affects our mental well-being. Like detectives, we're analyzing how the central idea evolves throughout the text. Now, how does the author build upon it as we read? Here's the author's timeline of this article. It starts with the benefits of exercise. It evolves into mental well-being, and then it evolves to boosting mood, and then to reducing stress, and then to number 5, improving cognitive function. We've journeyed through that text. Let's put our writing hats on. Let's craft an objective summary that captures the central idea and the key points. Mia's summary. This is Mia's summary. The text highlights the examples of mood enhancement, stress reduction, and improved cognitive function. The central idea of exercise's holistic benefits is effectively conveyed. Look closely at how these central ideas grow and change. The student's arrows show the journey from the beginning to the end. It's again like watching a flower bloom. Here's another one. In a world where technology dominates, human connections are more important than ever. Despite the constant noise of devices, finding moments of genuine interaction becomes a valuable pursuit. Let's take a look at the central ideas and the importance of human connections. The challenge of finding genuine interactions, those are the central ideas. Let's explore another example. Check out their highlighted sentences and the notes they've added. Can you spot the central ideas evolving? The city was busy with activity. People hurried through the crowded streets, and the sounds of honking horns filled the air. Well, the central idea here is the noisy atmosphere in the city. Take a look at the students' work. They've crafted an amazing objective summary that captures the main ideas of the text. It's like a tower that stands tall, representing the essence of our reading journey. Just like the blocks in a tower, they've built a summary that rises above, showcasing the author's message and the progression of the text. So there you have it. With the skill of finding central ideas, you're ready to conquer the world of texts. Remember, spotting central ideas and analyzing their growth helps you understand the heart of the story. Just like the blocks in a tower, they've built a summary that rises above, showcasing the author's message and the progression of the text. What is a summary of a text? Well, a summary of a text is a concise and brief overview of the main points, ideas, and events in the text. It captures the essential elements without going into too much detail. Think of it as a condensed version that gives readers a quick understanding of what the text is about. Now, what is a central idea in a text? Well, a central idea in a text is the main point or key concept that the author wants to convey. It's the main topic or the focus of the text that everything else revolves around. So identifying the central idea helps us understand the main purpose and message of the text. So how does a summary relate to the central idea of a text? Well, a summary is closely connected to the central ideas of a text because a summary captures the most important central ideas and key details, and then it distills it into a shorter version. And in other words, a good summary highlights the main points and central ideas while leaving out the less important information.